Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. So, are you satisfied with your papers?
Ma'am, actually, sir sent you the wrong PDF, ma'am. I have sent an corrected PDF to him again, ma'am, but he didn't send it to you, that ma'am.
You gave me a wrong. I got a wrong paper.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the 25th and 26th question I didn't attach in that PDF, ma'am. So that again I had sent it to you, ma'am. Again I sent it to him, ma'am, but he didn't send it to you, that paper, ma'am.
I did not got anything, Niranjan.
Actually, I asked the sir, ma'am. When he gave the marks itself, I told him, ma'am. He told, today we will see about it, ma'am. If you have any corrections regarding paper, you can ask ma'am in the next class. He told, ma'am.
Okay, once you open your PDF and show me, after we can share the screen.
How, ma'am?
You show me I'll show you this is the paper or not. I have 1 minute. Let
Okay.
the ma'am, they make me host. I just message them. So anybody remaining people have doubts? Sandhya?
Yes, ma'am.
You did really well. I'm very happy with it. One thing, biology is, if you try more harder, here and there small mistakes are there. If you try harder, you will get 100% in science. But physics and chemistry also, you put the same effort, you will get it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And coming to the remaining people, most of them have done the MCQs very well. Am I right? Mostly, maximum, all of you got 17 to 20 in between.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but few of you did not present the 5 marks questions properly. Especially the first question, why surgical methods are very harmful or something. I have asked you the question. What is that question? Anybody can tell? A surgical abortion, why it's very harmful or something, or why it is or something like that. I have asked you a question.
Ma'am,
Am I
you
right?
asked why is surgical methods misused in pregnancies?
As surgical methods misused for pregnancy. You all of you, 9 more except 1 or 2, all of you have written it is because of female feticide. Okay, that is a correct answer only. But you need to explain. You need to explain that by misusing, you need to add at least 4 or 5 lines. Nowadays, uh, before the birth of the child, if the sex of the child is known, they are misusing these surgical methods to remove the female feticides, which is very harmful to the society and which is being misused. So Government of India has banned testing. You should write that. Knowing the gender of the fetus before the delivery. Okay, this line should be mentioned. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That one, most of them, that point, no, except one, whoever did not, there I gave 4.5 or something like that. Because of that only half mark was lost to most of you. Okay. Next one. What is the second, 5 marks question? That everybody did it well. Whoever did not have the time did not put the procedure properly. For them, I gave only 3 marks. Whoever wrote it properly, put it in the form of a table and everything, I gave them full marks. Whoever did not got the full marks means you did not put the heterozygous, homozygous, and all those. And one person started with the law of independent assessment, means she wrote monohybrid, so then went to the dihybrid. Who is that girl? I think so. Huh?
I only wrote, ma'am.
Who? Ovia.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to write all those.
Okay, ma'am.
Independent assortment means only dihybrid cross.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Ovia in yours only. Tomorrow. Huh? You know, Ovia in yours only. I think so. Even that circulation. This one. Double circulation.
Yes, ma'am.
You put it in a cyclic form, I think so, no?
No chart only, ma'am.
Huh?
No chart only, I told, ma'am.
No chart means not no chart. You put the cyclic form.
No
In the
chart.
cyclic was. Wait, I'll show. They have made me host. 1 minute. Ovia, I think so. It's yours only. Double circulation, you put it in a cyclic form.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll see. When they share, I will see. Don't put it like that.
Okay,
You need to properly keep the circulation in a proper way.
okay,
If
ma'am.
deoxygenated blood, right ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle, what are the veins involved in it? If you put that one, if you did not mention the blood capillaries or blood, that is the veins or arteries involved in carrying the blood. That is the mistake you people have done. And why few people have not completed the paper? Some of them miss, why they miss the 3 mark answers? Why so?
Ma'am, actually I didn't miss, ma'am. I have sent him the wrong PDF, ma'am. Again, I have made a PDF with that questions, ma'am. Sir didn't send it to you, ma'am.
Okay. Remaining?
What is the highest mark?
Sandhya, ask her. I forgot how much is it.
Ma'am, 47.5, ma'am.
Yes. She got only 2 bits wrong in the multiple choice and half mark gone in the all 3 and 5 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So see the competition over here only. Prepare well. Okay. All of you are submitting your assignments, subject enhancements, and also your periodic test properly,
Yes, ma'am.
because all of those account to 20 marks. So don't miss them all. Submit on time. And periodic test means please may inform us so that we can also conduct one test prior, completely 80 marks paper. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So please priorly inform Raghavan sir. He will inform us. We'll prepare a complete science paper and give you all as exam. Because periodic test, best of the 2, they will give you 5 marks. Subject enrichment, 5 marks. Projects, 5 marks. Portfolio, 5 marks. Altogether 20 marks. It will be with the school. Remaining 80 marks is the board. So first let us finish off the lesson. Okay? It will only take 10 minutes. Let us discuss the questions, then we'll go with the papers. Last 10 minutes. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can see the screen? I think so. I have finished this one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the last topic in this chapter, that is garbage disposal. Okay. So we all know what is garbage disposal. What it is?
Waste from our house.
Disposing waste materials, ma'am.
Waste from our house or from industries, whatever it is, we call it as a garbage. And where we dispose our everyday garbage? Anybody has idea? Where our garbage goes?
Ma'am, landfills and
Land
Hey,
or
you
else
tell me
rivers.
yours, yaar. From your home, first where it will go?
Dustbin, ma'am.
Tell me. No idea.
ma'am, dustbins or recycling bins, ma'am.
First it will go to the corner, street corner dustbin. So after that,
Ma'am, they will have a lorry, ma'am. In that, they will throw all the waste materials, ma'am.
where it will carry them? Where are the land dump yards of Chennai?
Palikarne.
Pallikarni.
Palikarni?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What they do after that?
They just leave it, that's all, ma'am.
They'll just leave it. And finally, nowadays, everybody, if you are talking before 5 or 6 years, as they used to leave like that only. Okay. But now they were, even government has made different environmental reformations. They are not leaving like that. After a few years, they are filling the land. Okay, or they're trying to recycle. Most of the waste is now being recycled. We can produce energy from the waste. You know that we can produce power from the waste. So most of the waste they're trying to recycle. Whatever the plastic only we can no, we cannot recycle. Or most of the plastic only cannot be recycled. Otherwise, most of the waste can be recycled. So all this they are trying to either make it in a form of a compost, or if the government is able to invest some amount of money, they are being used to generate power also nowadays. And the remaining waste, Sometimes when the land is full, they're filling with the soil and leaving it for the few hours. That is called as land filling. When the land is filled, on the top of it, they are trying to develop it in the form of a garden. Anybody has seen this? If you go to the market or anything, nowadays you cannot go. If you go to any vegetable market, you must be seeing people collecting vegetable waste. There will be special rickshaws carrying only vegetable waste. That waste is nowadays not taken to any dump yard, or simply they are not throwing in the dustbins. We have in Chennai itself, for example, in Tiruvanmayur, one unit is there. To the other end of the Chennai, that is near Ashok Nagar or somewhere, there is another unit also, where they are converting that into a compost, which can be used as a fertilizers for the plant. If you have a chance, if you stay nearby, or you can simply Google in also, Tamil Nadu composting units. We have many all over here, Chennai, where they are converting this vegetable waste, even the dry leaves. If you have, anybody has seen, in Adyar area where I live, I have seen them. I don't know what's the other side. They are now collecting the dry leaves and putting them into compost bin. Anybody has seen that?
We have in our school, ma'am.
That school is there. Even in on the streets also, we are having that grilled compost bin, where the dry leaves are being collected, dumped inside that, and those dry leaves will be taken to the composting area where they will be turned into a manure. Okay, so garbage is one of the most common, anyway, in every household, whether it is a small household or a big household, or if it's a small industry or big industry, we have waste. We produce lot of waste from our raw materials. Whether it can be a vegetable waste, it can be a chemical waste, it can be a liquid waste, or it can be any type of waste. It can be a solid waste. So any type of a waste, we are going to be producing a waste, and this waste is known as garbage. And the garbage will be collected and disposed in, especially in urban areas, at a specified site. Whereas in rural areas, always the garbage will be disposed, will be kept for another at least 1 year in the back, at the backyard of the house. That one will be reutilized as the compost in the agricultural fields. But whereas in urban areas, we have a specific system, that is municipality. Municipality will be collecting our household waste. Also industrial waste also they will be collecting and will be disposed in a specific area. So previously, before a decade, there is no specific disposal site. Simply they used to collect and randomly dispose, and later they leave it for stinking. But now we have developed different scientific ways, so that the waste, as I told you, can be converted to compost, or it can be used in it can be recycled, or it can be developed in any other format. Okay, so there are different methods how we can dispose our garbage or the waste. First one is incineration. So incineration means burning. 1 minute. Okay, I'm not getting a marker. Please bear with me. So I'm just putting a marker. I'm not getting the highlighter. So incineration means burning of the waste at higher temperature is known as incineration. This is mostly done to the biological samples, means injections or medicines, or now hospital waste, especially for example now COVID waste. All those will be specially collected, and they will not be disposed in any garbage area or any garbage where normally everything is. They will be burned down. Incineration means burning down. So they usually there are few equipments also to carry on the incineration, or if the it's not if the government is not able to procure that equipment, or if the um, uh, or if the industry is not able to procure that equipment, they will simply burn the waste. So burning of the waste at a higher temperatures is known as incineration. Mostly it is done to the biological waste. Next, open dumping. This is one of the conventional method, where, as we have been discussing, where the solid waste will be dumped into the selected areas in the town. And this again may cause pollution, as we have it may cause a soil pollution, it may cause even the groundwater pollution also may be caused, or even the river pollution. The best example is Adia river. Next one is landfillings. So the waste which are dumped in the lower area, lying areas will be again compacted and rolled with the bulldozers. I'll be showing you all the pictures. So one of the best landfillings is in Chandigarh. If anybody has gone to Chandigarh, you can see a beautiful garden was developed on that waste disposable land. They filled that area, cleaned it, bulldozed it, leveled it properly, and on that they have developed a beautiful land, beautiful garden. So that is one type of way to dispose and also use it in the further purpose. Next one is composting, as I have told you, where the organic waste can be filled into the compact pit, and which can be, and after 3 months we'll be able to get a compost. So even we no need to throw our kitchen waste. Always every part of the kitchen waste can be turned into a compost. Just if you are also having any plants, and if you want to grow your plants, you can take a small bin. In that you can put collect your 4 or 5 days of your kitchen waste, mix it with some small amount of soil and leave it for 3 months. Nothing will be seen. Everything will be turned into a brown color soil. That is known as the compost, and which is rich. It's like a manure to the plant. It will be can be used as a fertilizer or manure to the plant. Next, recycling. So the solid waste like glass or even the bottles, some types of plastic bottles, okay, all these can be recycled. All these can be metals. All these can be recycled. So usually we should not speak in that way, but the garbage pickers are one of the most important people, where they are trying to recycle the products from the waste. Each of them, because for their livelihood, although they go and collect everything, they are the people who pick up all the recycled stuff, sell them, and everything will be recycled. Actually, they're playing a very important role in the recycling process. Next one is reuse. So paper, envelopes, glass, everything which is not broken, everything can be reused. So these are the different types of methods where we can play important modes in our waste disposal. Hope you understood.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we burn chemical and biological waste in the areas nearby homes, what will happen to that?
No, there will be specific areas. Actually, I'll show you the instrument also. This is the incineration instrument. Okay, all the pharmaceutical companies or biological companies, even the hospital, should have this unit. Then only they will be giving environmental clearance to that hospital or anything. Bigger hospitals and all those. So they'll not, they will be throwing into this incineration unit, and they will be burning them all the materials at higher temperature. Even nowadays, government also have this incineration units, municipality.
Okay.
Okay, this is the incineration equipment where they used to burn this biological and chemical waste. Okay, so you can see this is the land filling, as which we commonly use. Then again, we can use the cow dung and all those in biogas and manure production. And I think so most of you have done in your schools, that is preparing a pit and dumping the waste to make it into a compost. And this is recycling of the paper, which we commonly do by our selling our newspapers. Any doubts?
No doubts.
And this is the, just I want to show you all, this is the sewage treatment man. Sewage also is a waste. Okay, it is a liquid waste. So this is the sewage treatment plant. How it be, just a small flow chart, how it will be treated before it was discharged into the rivers or seas. So if you take, this is the industry. So the sewage system, the sewage pipelines will be first having filters where all the stones or any solid materials will be removed. Now it will be taken into a different types of tanks known as aeration tanks, where it will be mixed with a few organisms where they can decompose this liquid waste, where they can break down this liquid waste. So they, after passing through this fermentation technique, fermenters, finally the treated waste will be discharged into the either it can be used in the agricultural reuse, or it sometimes in few places the treated water, especially in Delhi and those places, they usually have two taps in their bathroom. One is a normal water, whereas the other one that comes into the commode and all those is the treated sewage water. Okay, in that way they are trying to use the treated sewage also, and also finally leaving it into the sea and the rivers. Okay, but most of the cases they are not using as a potable water, because some organisms still will be there. Although they are not harmful, still they are not using as a potable water. But in many cities, like metro cities, they are being using it as a water which can be used in the commodes for flushing and everything. Okay. So this is about our environment. Any doubts you have? All of you?
No doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So open your
Okay.
text. Now I'm just open your textbooks, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first one, why are some substances biodegradable and some non-biodegradable? Can you answer? This is the answer. Substances that can be broken down by biological process are biodegradable. That can be broken down by microbial enzymes or by microbes are biodegradable. Whereas substances which cannot be degraded by any biological process are non-biodegradable, and examples you can write for both of them. Here you can write plastic, there you can write vegetable waste and all those.
Ma'am, from which page you are telling the question, ma'am?
This one is 257.
Ma'am, in our book, that questions are not written, ma'am.
Not there.
Ma'am, it's in page number 262, ma'am.
Okay. For me, 257 it is. See, 262, go to 262 then. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, second question. Give any two ways in which biodegradable waste could affect the environment. You can write the differences I have given you, no? In those, the points are there. How biodegradable waste will affect our environment. In that it is there. Can you all of you have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not hearing from other people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for
Yes,
both
ma'am.
second and third questions, in that differences are there. You can write according to the point how they affect the environment, how biodegradable waste can affect the environment, how non-biodegradable waste can affect the environment. So in case of biodegradable waste, they will be going in a food chain. They can be utilized, they can be broken down into simple substance, and they will be utilized by the microorganisms and everything. And so the life process goes on. Whereas by non-biodegradable waste are inherent, means they will be staying long in the environmental side because they cannot be biodegradable, and sometimes they may be harmful also to the soil microorganisms and other environmental factors. Okay, in this way you can write both the questions. It is there in the differences. Please check it out. Okay, I'm moving to the next exercise. What are trophic levels? Give an example of the food chain and state the different trophic levels in it. Can anybody answer? Can anybody answer?
Ma'am, transfer of food which takes place in various level of food chain.
The various levels in the food chain are known as trophic levels.
Trophic levels. Okay.
Okay. Examples: producers, consumers. Now give me an example.
Ma'am, grass, rabbit, from rabbit, snake, then hawk.
Yes. So you understood, all of you? Are you noting down remaining
Yes, ma'am.
people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And state the different trophic levels. Now you tell me what is grass is a?
Ma'am, producer.
Next one.
For consumer one.
Which consumer?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, what? Which consumer? Primary,
First
secondary, tertiary?
Primary
Next.
consumer. Snake is the secondary consumer and hawk is the tertiary consumer.
Yes. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem?
Can decompose the biodegradable wastes, ma'am.
They decompose the biodegradable waste. And what is their role?
Ma'am, it helps in creating humus from biodegradable waste, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you properly.
Ma'am, it helps in creating humus from biodegradable waste, ma'am.
Not correct.
Replenish soil.
Replenish soil. Any more? Any more?
A cleaner environment.
They will mainly able to break the inorganic stuff and used in the recycling process. Okay, it's not in your textbook also properly. Please note down the answer. Or it's in the I have given about the decomposers, no? Have I given in the presentation? Yes, I have given you all. See, nobody's answering.
Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 second.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
So what I have given there? Can anybody read it out?
Ma'am, I have noted down that decomposers decompose dead and decaying bodies, and they make space in our environment.
And then make. So usually, please write down. Please write down. Decomposers such include saprophytes, such as fungi and bacteria. They directly thrive on decaying organic matter. They are very important for the ecosystem because they act as cleansing agent of environment by decomposing the dead plants and animals. They help in recycling the nutrients. They provide space for new by decomposing the dead. They help in putting back the various elements in water, soil, and air for reuse. Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts still here?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
So let us do the exercise fast. Which of the following groups contain only biodegradable items?
Option C.
Yes, correct. Only biodegradable items.
Fruit peel, cake, and lime juice are biodegradable only, ma'am.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Option A.
Option D
No.
also.
No, ma'am. Option C.
Lime juice. Does lime juice is a biodegradable solid or liquid waste?
Ma'am, option D, ma'am. Cake, wood, and grass.
Yes, cake, wood, and grass, not C. Okay. Next one. Which of the following constitute a food chain?
Ma'am, option B, ma'am. Grass,
B,
goat,
ma'am.
human.
B.
Grass, goat, and human.
Human.
Grass, fish, and goat? No, no.
Ma'am, fish doesn't eat grass.
Goat, cow, and elephant?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, huh? Okay. Good. Which of the following are environmental friendly practices?
All the
All of the
All
above.
the above.
What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? I told you, no, this one.
Ma'am, all the other trophic levels also experience
It will be affected.
danger.
That complete chain may disappear. They may become extinct. So only we need to have a food web. Okay? Anybody has doubts?
Ma'am, for the first question, the book back answer is given as A, option A, option C, and option D, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, for first question, ma'am, in book back they are given option A, option C, and option D are correct, ma'am, except option B.
Which of the following groups contain only biodegradable? Okay, they have taken these also as example. Okay, no problem. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? What will happen? Only 1% told, that also incomplete answer.
Ma'am, there will be an imbalance in the ecosystem, ma'am.
Imbalance in the ecosystem.
Ma'am, there will be no transfer of energy from one trophic level.
To the other because there will be no transfer of energy from one trophic to level to other, and also it may lead to the extinct of many organisms in that food chain. Okay, so they should be to avoid this. Usually we have a food web. Will the impact of removing all the organisms in a trophic level be different for different trophic levels? Can the organism of any trophic level be removed without causing any damage to the ecosystem? Please read the question again. What can you answer for this?
Ma'am, for the first part of the question, it is yes, ma'am. Should we explain?
So for first part of the question, yes, if the trophic levels exist in a food chain. The same as you told for the fourth question, the same answer can be repeated for this question also. Whereas if you talk in case of food level, if the organism is removed from any part of the food chain also, there will be no effect to the or damage to the ecosystem, because the organisms are in a food web. Understood? So you should give the examples. If you should write these 2 points, also you should give the example of the food chain. For example, the grass will be, the deer eats on the grass, and the lions depend on the deer for their food. If, for example, the complete deer were removed, definitely the grass will be overgrowing because there is nothing to be feeded on it, and also the lions will remain hungry and may soon extinct because they are in between, the deer is not there to provide them the energy. But the same thing now you keep in a form of a food web, the same along with two other food chains, then you give an example and you can explain the point. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is biological magnification? With the help of this magnification, be different at a different levels of ecosystem. Please write the definition of biological magnification. It was given in the PPT. And as it will be different in different levels. Usually the lower trophic levels will be having less concentration of the pollute. But as it flows to the upper trophic levels, they will be having higher concentration of the pollute, and you can give an example. That is the DTT example, you can give it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the problems caused by non-biodegradable waste that we generate? I think so all of you know it. It is a generalized answer, you can write it. Because they are inherent in soil, they cannot be further degraded. They may be turned into a soil pollutants. They may be polluting our soil microorganisms, and also they may pollute even our groundwater also. So all these problems we can write over there. If all the waste we generate is biodegradable, will this have no impact on the environment?
No, ma'am.
If all the waste are biodegradable, it is not like no impact. Most of the ecosystem will be in a stable manner. It will not be harmful to the environment, like there will be no soil pollution or water pollution, or water bodies pollution will not be there. Ecosystem will be maintained properly, and it will be having lesser impact, no impact, not lesser impact on the environment. Okay, all of you are noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, why is the damage to the ozone layer a cause of concern? What steps are taken to limit this damage? I think so. This is in your textbook. So this is all you need to write. From here to up to here. In which page number it is? It's above Activity 5.6. Okay. Any doubts you have?
No doubts, sir.
No doubts.
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts to anybody?
No, ma'am.
So with
No,
this,
ma'am.
I'm closing this chapter. And all of you please note down, there is a website known as CBSE Online. I think so. I previously also told you all. It's having all, if you don't have any books or anything also, all MCQs from previous years, question answers, along with the answer, everything is there in that website for all the subjects. It's very, very useful for you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in the next class, we'll be starting our last chapter. Okay. Actually, till here only you will be getting for your annual exam. Whereas the next chapter, usually if the school is willing, they can conduct it in the periodic exam. I don't know how the school is taking, whether they are completing deleting the chapter or whether they will be telling y'all and conducting a periodic exam. How it will be taken, I don't know. But we'll be finishing off the chapter also. It's a very small chapter. We'll be finishing off. It will be like a story only. The chapter will be finishing off in 2 or 3 classes. So any doubts still here?
No doubts, ma'am.
So
No
let us.
That's
So now I want to discuss with you the question. I'm going to share few papers. Please don't mind because we don't have. I want to teach you all how to do. So we don't feel bad because I felt I need to teach you all because it's we are getting closer and I need to finish it off. You should. Tilai, you are there? He's not there.
Yes, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay. 1 minute. I'll see one paper where I want to point out. I'll be pointing. Ovia,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing your paper.
Okay, ma'am.
You did your MCQs properly only.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to this question, what I have asked you? I asked you for the aerobic respiration and also in the skeletal muscles and also in the yeast.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you wrote? You did not write it properly, completely this question. Please read again properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you did not, only you try to write the aerobic respiration, that also you did not wrote it properly or it got confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Next one, please for monohybrid, let us not go for this type of a presentation. It's so confusing. Which is F1 generation, which is F2 generation? There is no clarity over here.
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to write properly, which is F1 generation, which is put it in a cross form only, mostly for the monohybrid. At least F2 you can put it in this box, whatever you wrote. But here also there is no box or anything is not there.
Okay, ma'am. I'll draw it next time.
Okay, draw it properly. This, if you do in this manner, you will not get marks.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
you should put it in a form of a cross only. F1, F2 generation should be properly mentioned.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it next time.
See here, prostate gland will provide nourishment. Okay, the main function is to provide nourishment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please note that one properly.
Okay, ma'am.
This one is wrong completely. I did not ask you the surgical methods to prevent pregnancy.
Okay, ma'am.
How they are being misused means you should write that female feticide.
Okay, ma'am.
You are the one who got confused with this one. Don't do this one. Only dihybrid cross, that's all.
Okay, ma'am.
So because you wrote all this one nonsense, I did not, cutted you 1 mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? You should not write all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So I'm closing your paper now.
Okay, ma'am.
You understood your mistakes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who are there? Nirupama?
Yes, ma'am.
Neeru,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing your paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you did not do well?
Ma'am,
Nirupama,
very small detail, all got confused, ma'am.
why you did not attempt the bits? Sir? You are the only person who did not attempt all the bits. Why so? Why you left them? If it's right or wrong, you should attempt. No, there is no negative marking. No. Don't do
Yes,
that.
ma'am, that I didn't know, so I said I'll do it in the
No,
last.
no.
But
You
then,
attempt. You give a guess and it's a multiple choice question. It is not even
okay,
within the
ma'am.
plan. Don't do that. It may be correct. Don't leave anything. Okay. What is this? Why you did not put any cross or anything?
Ma'am?
For this monohybrid one,
Yes, ma'am.
why you did
Ma'am,
not? You did not put any cross, nothing. Why? Where is F1, F2? Where is it? You should draw it. I made you all to draw, no?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll draw it next time, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. This one, multicellular organ means you should write organ, tissue, organ system level. So it's very difficult and all those. Not most of them did, only few of them written it well, but you have not written it well properly.
Okay, ma'am. I'll see to it, ma'am.
And another thing, you should give a small description. What is a double circulatory system? And then put a flow chart.
Okay, ma'am.
I
Definition
cut
you
the
should.
half mark because you did not put that small description.
Okay, ma'am.
Here again you did it wrong. The walls are not thick, they are thin. Please, if they give for Mendel's, why Mendel choose the P plants, please write all the points. Not 3 or 4 points. Please write all the points. Whatever I have given you all, please write those points. It's very important because this much answer will be not sufficient for 3 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also the same thing you did. You did not write anything. For this simple one, I gave you 3 marks. We usually in the board, they don't give you even that mark. So next exam, I want a better mark, Nirupama.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Next one. Shivani is not there.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am.
Shivani.
Yes, ma'am.
You also did the same mistake. Here you also did not put for the P plant. Second question, that is monohybrid cross. 24th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And the same thing for this one also. This is a completely wrong what you have written. Because of that only you have lost your marks, because of those 2 questions only. Please go through the Mendelian's law properly again.
Okay, ma'am.
By next class, I want those two monohybrid and dihybrid. You should write it. I'll be asking you to screen share me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hamsini,
Yes, ma'am.
Hamsini,
Yes, ma'am.
you also did not put a cross for the monohybrid. Why?
Yes, ma'am. I actually was in hurry. I thought of writing it, ma'am, but then I thought that explanation is fine and then wrote it.
And also P plant, you did not write all the points.
Yes, ma'am.
Same, you also in those two, I want you also to write the monohybrid and dihybrid cross properly and show me in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
Next one. Amruta,
Yes, ma'am.
Amruta,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Be little bit thorough in your MCQs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is the way you lost your mark. And you have attempted all the questions. No.
Ma'am, I left the 24th question, ma'am.
Why?
I was not able to, I was confused with the answer at that time, ma'am.
Okay. Even in this double circulation, you did not wrote about it properly. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want a description. Also the arteries and the veins taking towards it should be written
Okay, ma'am.
in that flow chart itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one is Akash.
Ma'am,
Akash, this one is yours. I want to show you 1 minute.
okay.
This one double circulation. Akash, you can see your paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't put it, never put it in this way.
Okay, ma'am.
This is not a wrong, this is a wrong one because this appears to be like a single circulation. We should show in a double circulation.
Okay.
Okay, this is a wrong pattern. It's complete, although you wrote it correct, but it is completely wrong. Don't put the presentation in this way.
Okay, ma'am.
As a circular form. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And otherwise here and there small, and again this one also complete all points I want. No short sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
And this multicellular, please read again.
Okay, ma'am.
Whereas Niranjan,
Ma'am, but that is a wrong PDF, ma'am. If you allow me to share my statements, I will share mine.
1 minute, let me see. First, let me see where is the remaining things. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Niranjan, first question 2.5 marks. Why I gave you understood?
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
You did not give any description. Small amount of description should be given, no?
Ma'am, for that question, ma'am.
Describe the degradation of glucose in aerobics, yeast and skeletal muscles or something. And also write in a word equation.
Wrote it in word equation only, ma'am.
No, you should get a small sentence. 3 or 4 lines should be mentioned.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is where you lost the half mark.
Yes, ma'am.
This one I gave you full. Why you wrote so much?
For what, ma'am?
You will not have sufficient time if you write like this. Oh, this one you repeated, no 24, 24.
Ma'am, actually, I took the photo twice, ma'am. I have written only once, ma'am. So that only I resend the PDF, ma'am.
So that's why 25th and 26th have not come for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Remaining okay. Okay. Otherwise, you try to send me the PDF.
Ma'am, can I send it in the group now, ma'am?
You can put in a group.
Okay.
But I'll send you tomorrow only.
Okay.
Okay. Now, once 1 minute, all of you. I have shown all the papers. Akash, I have shown yours. Amrita, Hamsini,
Yes, ma'am.
I have shown yours also.
Ma'am, actually you didn't present screen, ma'am, but then you told what
I have
mistakes.
spoken about it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, once see the presentation what Sandhya has done. That is the way you need to present, where you will get complete. We will be searching where I need to cut that half mark or anything. Okay, so try to present in this way, where you will get full marks. So as usual, she also got 2 wrongs in the MCQs. Other than that, see, she gave a description properly. Then she put a flowchart. Sandhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Next time, please use a thick pencil. I cannot see what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, she gave a description. Again, she wrote it very properly, the monohybrid cross. See, binary, you see how much description she has given and also drawn properly. See that double circulation flow chart. As few of them have drawn it properly. This is where she got that half point what I told you, no, she did not roll. So here I just cut it the half mark. Whereas remaining I gave her a full marks. So wherever you lost your half mark or anywhere, try to improve the presentation. For that improvement only today I thought of sharing with you all the where you are going wrong. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you understood, I think so. So by next class, I want others to be prepared for the, whoever I told gave you the homework, I will be asking them to share this, your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
So next class will be starting off with the new chapter. With this, I'm concluding the class.
Ma'am?
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said no, ma'am, that monohybrid and dihybrid cross. I should just write the answer again for like
Yes,
that.
redo the answer again.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Share it, your PDF in the
Thank
group.
you, ma'am.
Okay?